Prepare the following materials before refilling. Synjink C780 ink. Tissue paper. Turn the cartridge over to locate the ink nozzle and sponge area. Open the ink bottle cap, pierce the protective foil, and securely close the cap. Gently drip ink directly into the cartridge nozzle. Continue dripping until the sponge inside the cartridge stops absorbing ink. Turn the cartridge over to check for leaks. If the cartridge leaks slightly, it indicates that too much ink was added. Allow the cartridge to continue dripping until no more ink leaks out, even when shaken. Use the cartridge only when it stops leaking entirely. After refilling, the printer will still display a no ink warning. To bypass this, press and hold the stop button on the printer for 10 seconds. Run a nozzle check to confirm the print quality. The test print should be clear and consistent.